Hai, Assalamualaikum and very good morning to Puan Nurul Hayati binti Latif and our fellow friends. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Alisa Maisara binti Johan. My metric number is 17-19F1029. Today, I want to present tips about individual persons and special diet based on categories below: athlete diets, vegetarian diets, recovery diets, low fats or cholesterol diets, diabetes diets, and pregnant or breastfeeding mother diets. What do you think about that? Okay, let me explain to you. Athlete diet get about 70% of its calories from carbohydrates, including breads, cereals, pasta, fruit, and vegetable to achieve maximum carbohydrate storage. A person's physical performance can be improved through good nutrition. Example, carbohydrate. It is improve the quality during training. In addition, it can help athlete train longer and slow down the feeling of fatigue during training. There are 3 nutrition before training. First is carbohydrate intake between 200 to 300 grams. Second is protein at a moderate level. Third is food that are easy to digest. There are 3 athlete plate. First is grain, second is protein, third is vegetables. In addition, water is also important because water does not provide energy but is important in the metabolism process of energy release in the body. There are 3 important is to help the excretory system, controlling body temperature and nutrient server medium in the body and transport nutrient to cells. Plants diet is a variety of healthy plants. There are 3 groups of vegetarian diets. First is vegans. Vegan is individual who consume food from plant cells only. Second is lacto-vegetarians. Lacto-vegetarian is individual who consume food from plant cells, milk, and dairy products. Third is lacto-ovo-vegetarians. Is individual who consume food from plant cells, milk, dairy products, and eggs. The source of protein in the vegetarian diets come from plants such as legumes, cereal, sweet potato, greens, and vegetables. Plant protein is low protein, does not contain all the amino acids components should be consumed in the right combinations. In addition, the vegetarian diet is practiced by individuals for healthy, economies, and ecologicals. Recovery diet is eating dairy foods such as milk, fresh vegetables, and fresh fruits. Proper intake of food for recovery or accelerating tissue go by reducing the load on the intestines. There are 6 meals that can be taken. Example for recovery is operations. Food that can be eaten after surgery such as vegetable juice and mineral water. Food that should not be taken after operation such as white bread, cold drink, alcohol, canned foods. Cholesterol in food such as chickens, barley, vegetables, oil, nuts, and lean. Function fats is to supply fatty acid source of vitamins A, D, E, and K, and used to give flavor to foods. Fat and cholesterol are reducements in a person's diet for some body functions. However, excessive fat intake should be avoided. Avoid eating fried food. Low-fat food can also reduce the incidence of heart disease and obesity. There are 2 fatty acids: unsaturated fat acid, saturated fat acid. 2 cholesterol. There are good cholesterol and the bad cholesterol. Good cholesterol can support the function of the body system well. Bad cholesterol need to be controlled in order to reduce the risk of chronic disease. Diabetes diet is a healthy eating plan that naturally rich in nutrients and low in fat and calories. Try to prevent or control sugar foods, but you should also pay attention to some food options, especially carbohydrates. Limit the intake of carbohydrates such as white bread, pasta, rice, as well as soda and sugar, because it has a very big effect on blood sugar level. In addition, need to be active in sport such as exercise can help manage weight and increase insulin sensitive. Example like cycling, jogging, and swimming. Diabetes is also can risk for heart disease and possibly mental disorders such as depression. A balanced diet for pregnant women should be benefits as what the pregnant mother eats will falls into the baby's placenta. Calcium and vitamin D are important. Example, dairy products, oat, spinach, raisins, and egg yolk. For protein intake such as meat, fish, butter, egg, milk should be limited to the last month of pregnancy. Carbo diet is not suitable for breastfeeding mothers. Avoid salt, sugar, and oil food. Do exercise 3 or 4 times a week. Double the intake of green vegetables as it a natural source of calcium. Nutrition to ensure the quality and nutrients products for baby growth. There are food taken by breastfeeding mothers. First is carrots, fruits, meat, chicken and fish, milk, oat. In addition, water is also very good for breastfeeding mother. It can remove toxins from the body. Thank you everyone for watching and listening to my presentations. Bye bye.